got one of these Can-Am Spyders. Trying to hook up one of these MTX soundbars to it. Just trying to figure out where the orange wire go at. Cause I didn't see any videos. See where to plug this. Everybody was saying just put it straight to the battery, which it will work like that, but that's not what it's for. This is supposed to be connected to the ACC, so it only comes on when you turn the key. But if you look down here by the beside the battery, and I had to kind of like pull it up. It was kind of like tucked. I don't know if you can see, but it's tucked down in there like that. But if you look around here and pull it up, you'll see this one right here. Can you see what this is? Customer accessory circuit. So they already have a wire right here for it. You can just connect this to this, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, it took a couple hours wasted on the internet to figure that out. Luckily, I got a buddy at the dealer, and he told me to look up here, actually, behind here. Couldn't find anything up here. In one video online, the dude had found something back here, but I don't know. Dug around up here, looked at all these labels, and here it is right up here beside the battery. Easy peasy. So this is the Can-Am Spyder F3S with the MTX soundbar.